Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade chicken nuggets. First, begin by cutting about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures even cooking. Next, season your chicken generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. For extra tenderness and flavor, marinate the chicken in 1/4 cup of buttermilk for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for juicy nuggets. Now, let's create that irresistible crispy coating. Set up a 3-station breading assembly line. In the first dish, combine half a cup of all-purpose flour with your favorite spices, like paprika and garlic powder. The second dish will hold 2 large eggs, lightly beaten with 1 tablespoon of water. Finally, the third dish is for 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, which provide superior crunch compared to regular breadcrumbs. You have a few excellent options for cooking your nuggets. For classic deep-fried perfection, heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until golden. If you prefer air frying, preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping them halfway. Alternatively, baking at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, turning once, yields a healthier, crispy result. Your homemade chicken nuggets are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately with a variety of your favorite dipping sauces, like honey mustard, barbecue, or a classic ketchup. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley can add a nice touch for presentation. These nuggets are perfect for a family meal or a fun snack. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, crispy creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.